KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing butter chicken skewers. The grilled butter chicken skewers. These taste incredible. Let's just get on with it. Alright, first thing we need to do is get a butter chicken base. Now you can buy a tin of that stuff if you want. I'm going to show you how to make it yourself. About 2 cloves worth of garlic paste, about 2 teaspoons worth of garam masala, 2 teaspoons worth of ground coriander, 2 teaspoons worth of ground cumin, about 2 teaspoons worth of paprika. If you have smoked, use that. It'll just give it a different sort of bit of a flavour. Okay, and this is a really easy way to go. And I've added in about half a teaspoon's worth of cardamom powder and a 1/4 teaspoon's worth of ground cinnamon. Okay, that is your basis for butter chicken. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. If you haven't got that, just use normal tomato paste. It won't really matter that much. Alright, so we're going to add that in, and we're also going to add in about a tablespoon's worth of white vinegar. If you have malt, try that, or even apple cider. And we're going to add in about a 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup's worth of Greek style yogurt. Okay, that is our marinade and sauce all in one. So all we have to do now is give all of that a good stir, of course, get all those ingredients combined, and as you can see, there is that magic colour that we all know and love for butter chicken. Alright, speaking of chicken, I'm going to get some chicken thighs. I'm going to cut them lengthways first of all, and I'm just going to cut these into little cubes. Alright, if you don't like the thigh meat, the dark meat, use chicken breast. Just be careful, it will dry out a little bit quicker in the cooking process. So nice little cubes of that, and thighs do have more flavour and are juicier. So just keep cutting up your chicken thighs. I've used about half a kilo's worth, about 500 grams worth of chicken thighs for this particular dish. Okay, so all we have to do is just keep going on, cut those up and put them straight into that marinade that we have made. Marinade slash sauce. Alright, so just do that, get all of those nice and combined, get that flavour soaking into that chicken. I'm going to leave that for at least half an hour. If you leave it a little bit longer, the flavour will be even better. So just pop that into the refrigerator, and when we're ready to go, we've got some skewers here, and all I'm simply going to do is just thread these chicken pieces onto some skewers. Now I'm using some metal skewers here. If you don't have metal skewers like this, you can use bamboo skewers. Just soak them in some water, because we are going to be playing with real heat. Okay, so just keep plonking those on just like I'm doing right there. And if you haven't had butter chicken before, it is a great it's not a traditional Indian dish, but it does taste amazing. Alright, I've got my skewers there ready to go. A little bit of spray oil over the top. Okay, just like that. And in the meantime, I've got some hot coals going. I've got some nice red gum charcoal, real charcoal. If you don't have charcoal, you can use some heat beads. And if you don't have either of those, you can actually do this over a gas barbecue. I'm simply just going to put my skewers down over the heat, and we're going to turn those from time to time until they are cooked through. It's not going to take very long on this particular heat. The red gum charcoal burns very, very hot. Okay, but as I said, just give them a little bit of a turn from time to time. This is me holding the camera for once. The other camera angle, that was done by Mrs. KP, and as you can tell, my MS is getting worse by the way the camera's moving around so much. So just give those a little bit of a turn from time to time. They're going to take around about 8 minutes in total to cook through, depending on how dense and how big you've made your chicken pieces. And as you can see, that fat's burning off, it's hitting the coals, and it's coming up, kissing those little skewers and giving them even more flavour. Right, and cooking on coals, nothing better. Right, here I've got a couple of little chapatis, or little Indian style breads. I'm just going to put those over the coals and give a bit of a spray with some spray oil, and they're just going to toast and soften up just a little bit for our final little destination, which is going to be the plate. And all we're going to have to do now is just serve those up. A little bit of salad on the side, some pita bread there, and chapatis, parathas, whatever you've got. And there you go, you've got KP's grilled butter chicken skewers. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence to make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them. But if you want to take another traditional type meal and turn it on its head and enjoy the outdoors like we're going to this summer, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll have to eat my grilled butter chicken skewers, and I will catch you next time. Bye.